I would thought I'd let you know that I'm a snorer. And to be honest with you, I need desperate help. I go to bed of a night wearing, as you can see, a nose piece to help me breathe, a copper ring to help me, the pulses go on, a pulse thing so that every time I make a noise it pulses onto my pulse and tries to make me stop, and also a headband. Now the thing is, I desperately need help because I've been to the apnea clinic and they've turned around and said there's nothing they can do, although my heart stopped a bit. It wasn't nothing serious, and I don't suffer from apnea. I've also been to Walsgrave where they have made me impressions on my teeth and given me something so to help push my jaw forward so that I can breathe. Now it's getting desperate at the moment. Now when I start to snore, or the case may be, my husband will press this button and this is what he gets.
Stop snoring!
Well, you appreciate that. It's not very nice being woke up 5 times a night with the button being pressed telling me to stop snoring. So consequently, he's gone into the spare room. Now, when I went to Walsgrave, they gave me a mouthpiece, and this is what I did. You put it in your mouth. If you can't talk, and if you can see, it helps you really, but you can't talk. So obviously, I can't talk at the moment because it's pushing my jaw forward and got there, but I can't talk, so I got to take that. It's like false teeth, really. Anyway, I need help. My husband said, I don't snore, I moan. And if I could just tell anybody, this is how I moan, so you may be able to help me, anybody who's watching. And that is it. So consequently, although I'm a snorer, I'm also a moaner. Please help me. I'm desperate now. My husband's sleeping in the spare room and it's not nice. I can tell you it's not nice. Please help.